kwafika amaphoyisa.
The other thing that I do remember was we were in Malbertin. The police arrived.
Then mawungena egate awuvela ungene kunama-security angidlapha kuyanda.
When you gain access to the gate, or when you get into the gate, you don't just go in because there are securities there.
Yeah.
Yebo?
So I think bafonele endlini la besikhona ukuthi ngamaphoyisa la ini.
I think they contacted or they called the house where we were to inform or to inform that there were police there.
Then ukheli wathi abangawavulile.
And then Kelly told them not to open for the police. Okay, let's leave it.
Do you know who called?
Uyazi ukuthi ubani wafona efonele endlini lana nikhona?
Ngokucabanga abantu basegate before umuntu angene egate angeke angene ungacontactwanga wena.
I think it was the people at the gate, because according to my knowledge, Mama Lord, when you are at the gate, they won't just allow you in before them contacting the house or the people you are going to.
Did?
Since bekade awungavulela amaphoyisa angazi ukuthi agcine angene kanjani ngaphakathi.
Seeing that she had said or informed the person not to allow the police in, I don't know as to how the police ended up gaining access. Uthi awazi ukuthi agcine ngena kanjani amaphoyisa usungaqhubeka kusuka lapho.
Mayisangenile lamaphoyisa should meza I think bawabone ezawabona ukhelo or something, because since atacisha ugesi mayise because ayiselunguza afuna ukulunguza ngama-blind.
Okay. When the police were now inside, and as they were, I think Kelly must have seen them, and because they wanted to peep through the blinds, and that's when she instructed that the electricity should be switched off. Ukelo what happened, you guess?
Yes. Switch off ugesi angazi ukuthi wafonela abani okwenzakalani, because ngathi waphuma i-order thizeni because bavele bahamba futhi nalabantu labo.
Awazi ukuthi ubani wafonela abani?
I think uyena ukheli wafona.
Okay, because after the electricity was switched off, I don't know who did Kelly call, and then I think that a certain order then came out, and then they just left.
Angayishosho ngamalanga ukuthi kwakweliphi ilanga, but while things akhona eMalbertin kuke kwafika uChiko Twala.
I'm just not sure about the day or the day, my lord, but whilst I was still in Malbertin, Chiko Twala arrived.
Yeah, just.
Shuthi ukheli ngwana ukheli wayekhala kulawo malanga le nami ngingekho right shuthi uye watshela uChiko ukuthi no umngane wakaSenzo lona.
Okay. Because Kelly was crying within those days, and I was also not well, so she's the one who informed, that is now Kelly informed Chiko that this is Senzo's friend.
And
Yebo.
can you just explain who's Mr. Chiko Twala?
Umukhuluma ngoChiko Twala ubani?
Ubaba waka Longo.
Longo's father.
Yes.
Yebo.
Okunye okuningi ngamuzwa ekhuluma noKelly embuza ukuthi akafunini ukuthi aye holding or something phesheya nani.
I heard him speak to Kelly, inquiring from Kelly if she wasn't interested or didn't she want to go overseas for some holiday.
Is it good?
Your Lordship, the reason why I stood up, I'm not disrespecting the officer of the court who is interpreting. The witness said, I have benefit of the language. Kelly to go in,
I can't hear you.
take Haley to go in hiding overseas, not on vacation.
The witness is shaking his head.
Sorry, mnumzwana ungizwanga kahle.
You didn't hear me properly, sir.
Ngithe
I said-
wambuza ukuthi akafuni yini ukuya holiday.
I said he asked her if she didn't want to go on holiday.
Khulumanga ngokucasha.
I never spoke about hiding.
Let's go, please.
So Applicant Shilolo was also on her feet, so I don't know if she wants to object.
Yes.
My lord, I just wanted to confirm if the state will be calling the Chico trial because the witness had. Thank you, my lord.
As a court, please, my lord, should it become relevant, we will consider that may that evidence be provisionally allowed, just to facilitate the presentation of the evidence, my lord.
Yes.
Yes, you may continue.
Okunye ngakumamela because uThixo uthala ukwabasefonini.
Yes, you don't need to go into details.
Ungafaki kimi, ungasudalula kimi imininingwane.
Yes.